Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Start by reclaiming resources you can control now. You should clear temporary files, uninstall bloat, and free at least 10% of your disk so virtual memory works well. Once done, install all pending Windows 11 updates and GPU or chipset drivers to avoid slow background installs. Next, open Task Manager and disable non-essential startup apps. Make sure to keep antivirus and disk utilities enabled. These steps immediately reduce boot time and free CPU cycles for the work you actually care about. Now tackle the deeper settings that impact responsiveness. First, fine-tune visual effects. Turn off animations you don't need and keep smooth scrolling if you want a better feel. Then set a fixed page file size or move it to a faster drive to prevent fragmentation spikes. For drives, run defrag on HDDs and trim on SSDs using optimized drives. This maintains throughput. Also enable Storage Sense to remove temporary files automatically. Together, these actions stabilize performance and reduce microlags during heavy multitasking. Finish by locking in performance and preparing for recovery. Switch to a high-performance or tuned balanced power plan and set maximum processor state to 99% for true turbo without throttling. Scan with your antivirus and run sfc/scano plus dism to repair corrupted system files if things feel unstable. If a recent driver or update caused regressions, roll back that driver or use a system restore point. Make sure you have one before big changes. If all else fails, one key tip: boot into safe mode to isolate drivers and services.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.